The clock is ticking as my wife prepares to deliver our second child. And the craziest thing is that she wants an unmedicated home birth. If that wasn't enough, in the midst of all of this, we decided to give our daughter a must-needed bedroom makeover.
Look how decayed that is. You can see the brick on the outside of the house.
So with limited time and money, will we meet this deadline? Or will the due date stop everything in its tracks?
I give up. Never mind. I quit. I
guess you'll have to find out as we continue to turn this house into a home, one room at a time.
In order to create our daughter's dream bedroom, we had to get inspired. From there, we went about designing a mood board. Our daughter is very social and energetic, and she loves color. Finally, we created a bedroom essentials checklist to help us stay focused and on schedule. So now, we're ready to get this started.
I love coming to Lowe's.
Oh, hold on. We need this?
Yeah.
What do we need this for? You know, when you were talking about it, I didn't think twice, but now I'm confused.
Oh, the bottom, front, it's fine. We need to.
Okay.
That's the explanation. We just need one.
We need one?
Yeah, 32 inches.
Oh, so we're redoing what was already done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, I know we finished it.
Yeah, we finished it, but I used another piece of board that was not the proper board to use.
Oh, because they were different.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay.
Just make sure you're straight and everything.
Bit looking. Is it?
You got it. No, that's. Want me to teach you how to look at it?
Yes.
All right.
Look at that bad boy.
Looked at it straight. It's like, that's pretty straight, right? That's pretty straight.
That thing curving.
And then you look at it this way too.
Wow, look at that. Look at that there.
That's how you check to see if it's straight.
Whoa, bro. Man. And it's such a nice piece too.
I know, it looked like it. It's that first glance.
Right?
Then the rest of it, trash! Trash! What are we doing?
Man.
You gotta pull it out.
I was trying to do a shortcut.
Nope, no shortcuts.
No shortcuts allowed.
Gotta pull it out, put it down.
All right.
Look at it.
But that's okay if it's bent that way. It's just this way.
Yep.
It's not that terrible, right? It's certainly curved a little bit.
Let me see. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
We're not trying to do anything crazy. All right, so we just need one of those.
Just one total?
Yeah.
Oh, because you're just doing the bottom two.
Yep, the bottom two.
Okay.
Okay, what else we need? Oh, here we go.
You found it?
$16. Not exactly what I'm looking for. $16, 5.5 by 1/2 inch.
Okay.
We getting it. Right, Skinner?
Good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, $12. Hold on. No, that's 3. Never mind. All right, we'll do this. 5.5.
Okay.
So that's fine.
Wonderful.
All right. Got one of these.
All right.
Got a baseboard. Now, what else did we need in that list that you've done sent to me?
These dowel rods, actually, right here in front of us.
So I brought this here, just to see if it might work.
Okay. So this did work on the one at home.
Yeah.
I thought for sure it would just be an inch.
Well, I think that works like that. So.
Yeah, it definitely fits nicely.
Yeah. All right, let's check down here and see if they got any more.
Oh, look at this.
Huh? What happened? Oh, they all down there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We got them?
Yeah, I think that's it for that.
Cool. Where are we going to?
I don't know.
To paint?
I forget. Yeah, spray paint. Oh, that's nice. That's very smart.
Oh, you ain't know they had that here?
No, that's the first time I've seen it. They're like, stop spraying on the floor, please.
Yeah, they always got that here. So you can spray that.
Uh-huh.
All right, so all this paint, you know which one you want?
A darker gold, not hammered brown. It's just, these. Oh, these are gloss. I feel like we usually end up getting this brand.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah,
this.
we do.
Yeah. Try that one. Don't need glitter.
Who knows it? We love it.
Sure would actually. Don't even start.
And glitter everywhere.
Don't even start. Now I'm like, Well, the paper color is not very helpful.
So we got to spray white and then
spray on top of it. That's a smart idea, babe. Thank you.
yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
This looks more creamy. It's hard to tell because of the white, but this looks more creamy.
I would say the bottom one looks more like it.
Yeah,
It does have some darkness in there, but the bottom one is. And then we're not trying to get exact anyway.
No.
We're
Just
close
trying to
it.
get close.
Yeah. I already know which one. It's the bottom.
It's not.
It definitely is.
Look at it.
Let's see what she thinks.
I'm trying to pick a gold.
She's trying to figure out which one.
Which one matches
which
this
one.
the most?
So I'm trying to get somebody else's perspective so she can help.
A third opinion.
Yeah. I say it's the bottom. What
Between
do you
this
say?
and this.
I say it's this more like this one.
I think it's the top one.
What?
This one?
It's gonna dry a little different
Yeah.
too.
This
The
one's
bottom-
this was too creamy looking to me.
It's creamy, right?
All right.
That's what got sorry.
So y'all think it's the top one though?
I think it is. Color matching.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm blind. I can't tell color enough. I
He was
picked
so
this one.
sure about
I was
this
so
one.
sure. Dang. That's fine.
Like most men come here and tell me I'm colorblind.
I just said that.
I'm colorblind.
Okay.
Oh, man. Okay.
So we'll go with the top one.
Yeah, we'll
then.
go with the top one. Hello, it is I. Putting things in the car. Look as I lift this heavy roll.
Ridiculous. Did she say husbands were colorblind?
Yes. Just talking about men in general.
Dang. Dang. See, I didn't get that part.
I never felt so validated.
Well, I'm glad they felt valedictorian. So what had happened is I thought I was about to finish and build all these shelves, which I did, and I completed it, and then I lost all the footage. Was I mad? Yeah, I was mad. I was pretty upset, but I was like, you know what? Lord, it's okay if I don't have it. It's only 58 gigs of footage. 58 gigs of footage, Lord. That's it. It's just 58. So, yeah, I lost it all, okay? Yeah, so right now, I am going to prime these walls, and we are going to paint these parts. I don't know what they're called, like the shelf holder parts. We're gonna paint those, and we're going to paint this back wall. Kind of like an accent wall, but not really. But we're gonna paint the back wall of it a green. It's gonna be the same green as you see inside of the wallpaper. It's the exact same green, the darker part of the green. And yeah, then we're gonna build the shelves back up again, paint the shelves too, and let's just start painting and get on with this. So the question is, was I salty? Was I really, really salty about the footage? Overall, I would say I was a little salty, but it also reminded me to never delete your footage before you edit the actual video. You delete that footage after you actually create the video. So, lesson learned. Never again. Never again. All right. Let's coat one. Shade it on that side. Okay. So yeah, that's what we got so far. Am I salty about losing 58 gigs of footage? Not fully. The thing is, I was very disappointed, but also I was like, all right, it's okay. You know, eventually I was like, you know what, Lord, if I lose all that footage, that's fine. You know, I still have other footage of other things. So, you know, it is what it is. And then found out after completing the shelves and everything, we had to take it all down anyway. We had to take the whole shelves down anyway so we can paint this wall. So it was like a blessing in disguise, actually. And I just want to let you guys know that even when you don't like see, like you can't always see the clearer picture and the purpose of why something happened, but you still have to trust God in the process, because I don't see the clearer picture. He can see the beginning, the middle, the end. And in this point, I'm like, Lord, I'm just going to trust you and keep moving forward. Can't go back, can't get that footage. All that 58 gigs is gone forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. So, yeah, that's why I want to encourage that with you guys and everything.
All right, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this wood. We want to keep the wood look, but the wood itself that we bought is not the nicest looking. It could use a little refinement. I'm coming up with ideas here, trying to do like a paint wash. This is tavern taupe because it's a darker taupe. And then same thing, like wiped off the tavern taupe. And then here, this is taupe of the morning, a super light color, and I just wiped it here. And then this is called Sandbar by Sherwin-Williams, and I just wiped that one.
Which one do you like best?
Well, that's what I came in here to see.
Okay.
Because I need to see it in the space.
Okay. So let's put it up in the space.
I'm just imagining, like, if all the shells were here and they were all painted this color.
Just know that this back is going to be green.
Right.
And it's going to be a darker green.
Can you go get the green sample for me?
Sure.
It's right there on the table.
I'm back.
Faded. Oh, hi. Thank you, husband.
I didn't know you had... Lord Jesus, help us.
So many samples.
What is all this?
These are all possibles for the paint. So this is going to be the color of the wall, cocoon, which is actually a color that we looked at in our bedroom.
Oh, do you got your paintbrush? Because I could do it now. Just put it on. Just start it. So we can see. Let's do it. See how this goes.
Did you give it a shake? Wifey always here to help. Here to help.
Can you move out of the camera? You got a big head.
Hey.
Jeez, move back.
I'm trying to be comfortable.
The shake weight.
Okay. Oh.
Shake weight.
See how this looks. Paint a little bit on the dresser for me too while you're at it, please.
Would you like a 5-course meal as well?
Serious.
And a foot massage and a butt rub? This is going to bring out the green.
Yeah.
And the wallpaper a lot more.
That'd be nice. Ooh, so pretty. I love that color so much.
The poo-poo green?
Yes. Square-ishness. How does it look to you?
Cool.
What do you think?
I think this is the closest to the color of the frame.
Oh, the actual bed? True, actually. We could go off of the bed.
That's what I'm thinking. It's like all these colors, I definitely don't like. It's too dark.
Yeah.
I don't like any of these.
The tavern taupe is too dark.
Yeah.
I don't mind the other one though.
This?
On that side, yeah.
This one?
Yeah. It's like a creamier.
Yeah, it is, but I like this one better.
Okay.
Because it's the contrast. That's what I like. The contrast between the two.
It is refreshing
It's gonna
to
pop.
see it with the dark in the back.
Yeah, it's gonna pop out really, really
I see
well.
what you're saying.
Nope. Nope.
This one looks good to me too. I like this one too. But that's because of the wood grain. I like that wood grain there. I don't like it. I don't like this one, obviously, because that one is basically did nothing. You keep painting. I'm gonna go and focus on the color that we like the most.
Okay.
And try a couple things.
Stay tuned until the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and comment in the comment section. And until next time, we will see you in the next video.